Hi everyone, my name is Peggy from the Healing Connection, bringing you an energy tip of the day to help you connect with your inner healer. The hookup, if you're feeling dizzy or faint or feel like a seizure is coming on, this is an excellent exercise to get you back on track. Place your middle fingers, one in the navel, one at the third eye. Gently push up in both sections and take some nice deep breaths. Probably about 5 deep breaths. In through the nose and out through the mouth. Not too firmly, just a nice touch. You may even feel the connection between your fingers, as if there were a tingling at both ends. If you close your eyes, you might feel a laser beam of light or see that between the fingers. But 5 deep breaths should get you there. And then when you're done, bring your fingers back down. Until next time, make it a great day.